Aloha guys, it's Christy here. Today I'm just gonna have an unboxing of something from Amazon that I purchased. It's a sage smudging kit. I know everybody has their own idea of burning sage and all that stuff, but the intention before you start it is what really counts. And I know that it's good for depression and it's good for like antibacterial, I heard, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm just gonna unbox this, and then when I do it, then I will show you guys. But I know it's good for, you know, you plant a seed that this will be good, and it shall be good, right? Alrighty guys, but this was from a local vendor in California. So it's JL Local, and then it's just in this box here. It comes with a little, I think it's like abalone thingy tray. I don't even know what I'm doing, but I bought it, okay? It comes with this here, where you can leave it, burn it, smash it down in there. And I don't know what is this. Let's see what it is. I have no clue, but I just got this just, you know, so that can kill all the bacteria. And then, you know, like it does say that it is good for the depression and stuff. So I have no clue. I have no clue of what is this. I'm gonna look at it. So this is like a starter kind of kit. Okay. Okay. So it says smudging instructions and blessings, sacred medicine for physical, mental, spiritual healing. So this right here kind of like tells you how to do it and stuff, and it does come. Okay, don't ask me what is this. I have no idea. Okay, it comes, maybe this, it comes with this little tray here, and it does come with the sage wrapped like this. And you can smell it. I'm not gonna go ahead and do it today because it's just not the right day. But it comes with a little feather, so the smoke, you can like, right? And then it does come with a little excuse me, a little bracelet, like a chakra kind of bracelet. So that's kind of cute. I just wear this, and it does have a paw on there for the paw girl over there. And it says, like all of Earth's creations, natural products and natural imperfections, abalone shell have natural holes and a rough patch. Okay, and this is their card. So when I was having the anxieties and stuff, I was just looking for alternative kind of things to help with my anxiety and stuff, and I just thought, why not try this, you know? You know, it's your intention of what you're gonna use it for. Everything starts with the intentions that you have, if it's gonna be good or bad. But why not try it? You know, it might relieve the anxieties. Or I never really blessed this new place that I have. I've been here 2 years about. And I just thought this might be a good idea. Why not try it? And please refrain from any suggestions down below. Just text me about it. But it's always going to start with the intention, if it's good or bad, whatever you do, you know. But I just wanted to try it, and it does kill bacteria. That's what I've been hearing. So maybe it'll kill any bacteria that's in this house, any bad spirits. I can't feel any bad spirits, but Novia, sometimes she barks at night in the kitchen. I mean, I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna try this one day, and I'll show you guys when I do it. But I just wanted to share with you guys what I did purchase, and why not, right? Why not try it? But I still, if you guys know what this is for, please let me know, because it's confusing me. Don't know what it is. Alrighty, you guys, this will be my last, well, not I shall not say my last video for today, because I probably go and do more, but yeah, that would be the unboxing of this smudging kit, and hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any, if you guys ever did this before, please let me know down below. I know it's all about, you know, having a good vibe, good spirits. That's all I want. And, you know, no negative things around me is the best. But yeah, so you guys have an awesome day. I'm probably going to do some talking story after this with the same clothes. I do one work day of all videos now. I'm gonna go talk story about some things that I've been trying to research and stuff. Alrighty guys, you guys take care, and I will see you guys next time. God bless.